Hi guys, I quickly want to talk about focal length of camera lenses, as these can have quite a big effect on the sense of space within the image. So in this video we're going to compare some fields of views in camera. We're going to use wide angle lenses to create depth in an image, and I'm going to show you how to use the clip and plane to avoid unrealistic results. So what a camera can see is dictated by its focal length, and you can find that under the physical camera lens properties here. So currently this is an 18mm lens. So if we bring this down to 15, we can see that the angle gets wider, and in my opinion perhaps slightly less realistic. An 18mm lens looks like this: 24, 35 and 50. So as you can see with this lens, the 50mm, the narrower the lens, the image starts looking quite flat. There's less depth in the image. So, and then when you use a 15mm lens, you can see that the image is starting to have more depth. The images at the front and the back kind of seem to have more space between each other. So I guess the temptation is to have wide angle lenses in every image, and I would actually suggest that these don't look that realistic, so I'll try and avoid that, even though I know that clients will want to show as much as they can in each image, especially if they are being charged per image. But if that is the case, I would suggest perhaps using a narrower lens. And what you can do is, as you can see in this image, the camera is actually outside of the room, and that we can show the room because we've got clipping planes on. So if I just turn that off, go back to our camera view, you can see that the camera's in the wall. So a really useful thing we can do in 3D is enable a clip-in plane, and what that will do, you see this red line, that is actually clipping out these walls. So to demonstrate, I'm going to go back to the camera view, and this is our near clip-in. If I turn this up and down, you can see that it actually clips away at the image. If I pull that away, the wall's going to be there. So what you can do is pull the camera back without having to use a really wide lens. So this is a huge benefit for working in the virtual space, because we can do something that isn't actually achievable in reality.